Pieter, can we talk about the Sun Yantra? Can you walk us through how the Sun Yantra is and what's significant?
Well, first of all, we have to say that it is related, of course, to the sun. And the sun is, without the sun, nothing is possible. So he represents our life force. He gives us vitality, resistance, and willpower. And he is also connected to our intellect and to our right nostril and left brain. So he is male. He's a male energy, and all in all, he is giving good fortune. If you look at the yantra, then you see that middle there is a ring of 8 lotus leaves. These lotus petals, and they are connected to the planets. And the 12 lotus leaves that are the next circle, they are connected to the zodiac, or the months, or you could say also the hours of the day. So in fact that yantra is a representation of the solar system.
Oh.
So it contains the planets and the zodiac. More you can say about the sun, that it is connected to Sunday, it is connected to number 1, and the gem you can mention, that is the ruby, and the metal is gold. So, and in the yantra you also see rings, 3 rings. Sometimes not all yantras have that, but some have it, and then that represent past, future, and present, and sometimes also the 3 gunas. And in the middle you see the 6-pointed star, which actually says that the male and female are in balance.
Could you walk us through the formation of how we make the Sun Yantra?
Yeah, the sun is of course a little bit more complicated.
We make a circle touching the pupur. From the circle we make 2 marks with a distance of 2.6 cm. And we make marks for the other circles. We draw the circles. To find the 12 division, we use the compass and the radius of the circle. When we put the point of the compass at the bottom of the circle, we can make marks that divide the circle in 3 equal parts. We also do the same at the top and the sides, and 4 by 3 is 12. From these marks, we draw lines and we are ready to design lotus petals. First, we make more division with the help of compass and we design the half of the lotus petals. We copy this half petal with tracing paper by turning it around and putting it at the base of the other half. By tracing the half of the lotus petal, we create our full lotus petal. The 8 divisions for the second row of the lotus petals is already there. We only have to find the middle and we can design a half lotus petal again. Now we can finish the second row of lotus petals. To find the marks for the hexagram, we make use of the compass and the radius of the circle. We do it up and down and we have our marks. Now we can make hexagram with an inside lining of 1 mm. When we put the bindu in the middle, we have finished the designing. First line is gold. The second one is lemon yellow. The pupur is vermilion with yellow with a little white. The first line is gold. The second circle is silver. Space behind lotus petal is gold. The lotus petals are a mixture of lemon yellow and yellow plus a little white. For the first circle of lotus petals, the color of the small triangle is pupur color with a little more dark yellow. Then a circle of gold. The second circle is silver. Space is gold. The lotus petals are white with a little of the pupur color and pink. For the second one, pupur color and rose. Then a circle with white cobalt and pink. Then a circle of gold. Then a circle of pupur color, pink and white. Then a gold circle. Then a circle with cerulean and white. Outside the star is white and a little of cerulean. The lines of the star are gold. Inside of the star is white, lemon yellow and pink. Then bindu is gold. Surya Yantra.
And the colors associated to the Sun Yantra?
Well, the colors of the yantra are in general variations of orange.
Okay.
And orange is a color that makes happy. So that's why people like to see orange. But also the yellow is, of course, knowledge, connected to knowledge, and it goes also to red.
Right. So can we meditate on a Sun Yantra? Is it possible to meditate?
Yeah, sure, it's good to meditate on a Sun Yantra, but mostly women are not advised to do that because it makes them more male.
Okay.
So for them it's better to do on the moon.
Okay. And is this?
But it gives energy
Okay. Lots of.
and warmth.
Okay. And is there a specific place in the house or the space that you live in that a yantra should be kept, especially the Sun Yantra?
Well, that is for every yantra. The best place is a shrine.
Right.
Yeah, and it can never harm to light a candle with that, or at least pay homage in the morning.
Okay.
Best hour to pay respect to the sun is the sunrise, to face east.
Is there a mantra associated to the Sun Yantra?
Mantra that Harish Johari gave in his numerology book, I can give, that is Om Rim Rim Suryaya Namah. Om.
Thank you, Peter.
No problem.